Alright, so I already took the battery out because it was pretty much dead. Got it charging up, and I'm not looking forward to pulling this transmission out. Yeah, hopefully it's just a seal, but it's pretty loud. Yeah, when you're rolling down, you can hear the chains and they're clacking, and on the tensioners there. It doesn't actually have a tensioner, it's just like a piece of stamped steel that kind of prevents it from hitting the case. And yeah, it's pretty loud, so I'm going to try and fix that up. Let's give it a wipe down first. Yeah, a little bit of Mother's sure makes this weed eater cord really shine. Alright, let's get it moved and get that transmission moving. Alright, so I think the game plan is get rid of that muffler, give me some more access, get the track loosened up, and yeah, see, get that brake off. Oh, in case you're wondering, that's the heater core for a 1987 Ford Bronco. Amazon to the rescue with that one. I think I'm going to order some new springs too. I don't know. What do you think? Holding on by a hope and a prayer. Looks like I'm going to have to pull off the disc, brake disc, caliper, pads. I tried to look in behind there, but I couldn't see any spot where the case was leaking from. I'm hoping it's just a seal. Alright, let's get the chain, or not the chain, let's get the track loosened up. Well, I got it out. And it was a real pain, as I suspected it would be. Yeah, this bolt here, this carriage bolt, you gotta loosen the track right off and then come around to the other side. And I just gotta grab the light. And you gotta pull the secondary clutch, not right off, but enough room to get in there to get the bolts for the bearing cage. And it has to come all the way over, otherwise you're not gonna be able to get it. There's still a struggle to get it out of there. Oh. totally backwards. Yeah, here's the two shafts. Yeah. So here is the original problem for the leak in oil. The seal, as you can see, ripped right apart. Yeah, it's supposed to be in this. Yeah, right in there. But for whatever reason it grabbed. I think it was because it had an O-ring on the outside of this, and I think it squashed it and just ripped it out. But yeah. I'm going to get some new chains in here, some new sprockets, and hopefully some new bearings. Yeah, that might be making a bit of noise. Let's see, how are we going to do this? So, I'm probably going to take this detent off. There we go. Yeah. I can take off this half of the shaft first. Oh, let's move it there. Oh, and I think this thing's going to come out one big chunk here eventually. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. that goes with that little ball. And so that's where the detents, where the balls go in, or the ball. Have a look. So it doesn't have a tensioner. No chain tensioners, even though it has two big heavy-duty chains. It just has these chain deflectors, or guys. No, not even guys. They're just deflectors. As you can see, got some wear on it. Zoom in on my finger. Yeah, and this one too. Let's see where it's been all shiny along this edge here. Chain's been hitting it. It's alright though, we'll get some new chains. Shifting forks. I might have to come use my press. Probably gonna have to, yeah, new chains, sprockets. They're pretty wore. Well, that's all the disassembly for this video. The next video, we will be removing all the components from the shafts and replacing with the new parts that I got.